Hello viewers. In today's video, we are going to learn something really very important as well as mandatory to be successful. So today we are going to talk about why it is very important to take small steps to get quick results. Also, this is harsh reality that we often underestimate small but consistent efforts, and that is the reason we often do not see good results or big results that we often try to achieve. The result of these functions is that there is often delays, and to be honest also we see failure to achieve our desired results. So today we are going to learn step by step how to make small changes possible to get good results. Isn't it beautiful that if we take small efforts, small steps that will give us good results? So let's start learning this. The first point that I want to talk here is to focus on the small improvements. Remember, doing more in less time is not the ultimate solution to productivity. It is the path to burnout. What is burnout? That is doing something very small and getting yourself so much tired, fatigued. Productivity rests more on small improvements. By focusing on the small things, the big things will take care of themselves. Please try to remember small things add up. Large abstract goals are intimidating. This is why focusing on smaller areas for improvement can put us in control over our own development. Instead of an abstract goal like becoming a better manager, you could use an actionable step like I want to devote 1 hour a week to preparing more for my 1:1 with my team. Step is to communicate your improvements. Communicate how the small changes helped you to improve. After a week focusing on this one thing, our natural tendency is to want to share how we did toward our output. Be sure to talk about the small thing you focused on. It will help you reinforce that focusing on the little things consistently over time will produce big results. The next point is to identify the small improvements you could make. Most people perform a combination of varied small tasks in a day. There may be many small improvements you could make to your workflow or environment to get more done. Work on one improvement at a time. Every week, choose one thing from your list and focus on it. Think of ways to improve this one thing. Experiment and see what works. Talk about this one thing with your manager and ask for feedback. If you do not have manager, talk with your colleague, talk with your friends, talk with your classmate, but talk with people. The next thing that I want you to remember is to remember that small wins compound over time. They make big goals seem manageable and achievable. They also help you to move closer to where you want to be and a constant source of motivation. This is my favorite kind of thing, and that is to change a little every day. To change your life, you need to change your habits, but developing habits is hard. Sometimes the change is too big and you lose your motivation. So focus on micro changes. Aim to improve 1% every day. And remember, this 1% will give you someday your 100%. Aiming small is that they need little time to achieve. Suppose you make a small goal, they will not take much time. And the other thing is that they need little effort. If you try to aim small, it will take very small step, very small amount of time, and you will be able to achieve it very easily. There is a bonus point, and that is pair big goals with small wins. So remember, do this to ensure daily progress and motivation because big goals can be demotivating. That burst of excitement at the beginning quickly wears off. Small wins keep your eyes on the process, not the result, and help you see the progress you are making. Teresa Amabile has said it very beautifully. She says, track your small wins to motivate big accomplishments. So, if you really want to achieve big, remember the beauty and secret lies in achieving small goals every day. So, if you are able to make small changes every day, one day you will be able to make great results. Last point that I want to discuss is to practice small wins daily. First of all, remember start small and once you feel comfortable, ramp things up. Second, consistency is the key. Please do remember this. Same time and location. You should also try to choose same time and same location so whenever you go there, you will naturally get a thinking. Your subconscious mind will understand that you have to start your task. So today you have learned how to focus on small and achievable goals to enhance your confidence and innate motivation which lasts for a longer time. Now let me summarize what you have learned today. So first we learned focus on small improvements. Second, identify the small improvements you could make. Third, work on one improvement at a time. Fourth, communicate your improvements. Fifth, small things add up. Sixth, focus on small goals for massive growth. Seventh, change a little every day. Eighth, pair big goals with small wins. Ninth, small wins compound over time. 10th, practice small wins daily.